Give shortcut a round of applause. So that people they hear that from backstage. This clap too low. You know, say one thing about we comedians. The more you clap for us, the more you ginger us. I beg, no gonna clap for shortcut. Hi, Chief Abalanze. You know, in this life, in this Nigeria, we have two types of Igbo men. Like Chief Abalanze now. The Igbo man that went to school. Igbo man when he go to school, get money. He get the way that one they waka. Like Abalanze go to school, get money. Like Mr. Nasa, na Igbo man, he go to school, he get money. Those ones get how they waka. Igbo man when he go to school, get money. Now one of his leg, now in the K, one the straight. Then he go get pot belly. That one when he enter event like wedding, he get how they waka. They always smile. They hold phone for hand. They put phone for pocket when they enter events. And then they spray when they enter. They only transfer and they write check. Now, see this kind of song where the Abalanze they enter wedding and how they waka 19K 19 streets. DJ, play. The MC goes say, ladies and gentlemen. Oyena Watana Abalanze, High Chief. See as he go enter, give you louder. Now one leg like it, the one leg like straight. Mr. Nasa, Mr. Nasa, the waka. DJ will loud. Now that one I mean them Abalanze category. The other category of Igbo men, those ones they don't go school, but they get money. They didn't like wear trousers. They didn't like wear three-quarter where they get big pocket for side. They wear half cover because of say their leg big. All the leg when they enter the palm, now half they enter. They like hold plenty key and they like go 6 o'clock mass for Catholic Church and they support Chelsea. When they enter events, they hold pause for armpits. Now means they inside. I want find pause. Which man hold pause here? I don't know. You know hold pause. I don't say dollars inside, but if you have to give me the boss, man will go tip your dollars. I mean, who will boss here? Which man will boss? Man, show the hand those ones the waka. No, no boss here. Who will boss now? Eh? Man, you one. Which one man make up people here like man? Where? I don't say you work with Go TV. The way your back be like that. How much fun at all inside? Give me. There's no way you tell this guy ready for Maraba. Power bank right inside this bag. How the bag heavy? But how do you put this inside? You plan go back house. Let's say you want pass the night or get this. So you put inside bag. That's the truth, my brother. Now those guys Igbo men, they like to sell spare parts, wiper, bookshop, padlock. For our pro market, anything when you come to buy, then get a wiper or there. Even if I don't get that, I'll go to my brother's shop. Now see how those ones they waka. Before they go enter wedding, their guy go not go tell DJ. Say, see the kind of song when they like show himself. DJ, yeah, we're doings. Think we're doings. When I see a thing go waka, if I get them, when I go shout. If I don't get them, the way they waka, when I will keep quiet. But I DJ blast them. When they enter wedding, even if you keep cheer for chairman, and that chairman chair, they'll go sit down. You hear what they will talk. I need a play. I see it here. He goes sit down for the chairman here. Come, DJ Ola. Wait that usher. Come, usher. Now you come, you. Now you come tell me to say, sorry sir, this chair is for the chairman. May you hear what the man will reply. Come. Come now, man, give you my face, shine. Oh yeah, tell me, say, use sweet voice. Say, sorry sir, this chair is for the chairman.
Sorry sir, this chair
Kind voice with this. Baby, that was I come now. I come and manage you come. You come, time, come. Come. I just say, sorry sir, this chair is for the chairman.
Sorry sir, this chair is for the chairman.
Who is the chairman?
The chairman is Obi Kubana.
How much is that? Now, so they know. Those people men very stubborn. Even down to the Catholic Church. Down to the Catholic Church. If you go for confession, if na Igbo man, like be the father, you go confess your sin, you go regret. Baba, this is your purse. That's like you waka can collect am. If I only to carry that purse for there, come here, I don't tire. Come like that, carry bucket of water. Now, when you go church, go confess, and na Igbo man be the father. The Catholic will understand this joke. As he reach there, he go say, "Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. I have sinned against God." Now, when I small, I can't tell the Father, "Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. I have sinned against God and against man. I thief, I fight. I can't forget because this have many more I could not remember. Pardon me, Father." Like the Igbo man look me. He said, "Are you sure these are all your sins?" I said, "Father, these are all my sins." He said, "Check inside your heart. Check inside your heart. There are more sins." At 10 years old, I couldn't say I kidnapped. When I clap for me, but they try now. I'm like, you don't change you. Before that small thing, then they make you happy. I got this small thing, $100. Say you don't fold your hands in. I don't even understand it now. So what is now? I mean, that's how I go here. Don't talk, nothing will follow me go. Abalazi. Abalazi, don't they give me the new naira, the old naira. Since CB, I want to change them. You want to spend all of them. Mr. Nasa, did you see what Abalazi just did? Are you sitting? No, normally you don't like challenge. Abalazi just challenge you and you dey look am. Show Abalazi that you have money more than him. Mr. Nasa, now one you give me, you want give me one, you want give me two. Give me two so that Abalazi will respect you.